In this video, we will explain how to calculate the packing efficiency of FCC. In the last video, we have seen how to calculate packing efficiency of SCC and BCC. Now here we are going to calculate the packing efficiency of face-centered cubic unit cell, means FCC. So first of all, we have to find out the value of total volume of unit cell, means we have to find out the value of A cube. So this is FCC structure which contain one of the faces, face such as face ABCD. So this is face ABCD, because we know that in case of FCC, the atoms present at the corner of the cube as well as the atom present at the center of the face. So this is center atom, the atom which is present at the center of the face such as ABCD, and these two are corner atoms. These two are corner atoms. Now we can see here the face centered atom touches the corner atom. Now in case of FCC, we are considering only one triangle, triangle ABC. So this is triangle, you can see here the triangle ABC. So this is triangle ABC, triangle number 1, triangle ABC. And in case of triangle ABC, the side AC is a diagonal, where two other sides are side AB and BC. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So according to Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC, the AC square, because this is diagonal, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. Now we know that AB means edge length A, because the distance, this total edge length is equal to A. Also BC, also this edge length is also A. So here AB square means A square plus BC square means again A square. So AB means A, so AB square A square plus BC square means A square, because AB is equal to A, also BC also is equal to A. So A square plus A square. Now what is AC? AC is equal to 4R. This is AC. The distance from A to C. This distance is equal to 4R. As like in case of BCC. In case of BCC, F is equal to 4R. Now in case of FCC, AC is equal to 4R. 4R means R plus R plus R plus R. So from A to C, the distance from center of nucleus to this one is R. Also this to this R. Again this to this R. And last one, the distance from center of nucleus to this is R. So total AC is equal to R plus R plus R plus R. So AC is equal to 4R. Now here AC square means 4R square. So here AC square means bracket 4R bracket square. Now by solving this, we will getting 16R square is equal to 2A square. So by solving this, we will getting 16R square is equal to A square plus A square is equal to 2A square. Now from this equation, we have to calculate the value of A, because we want the volume of total volume of unit cell, which means we have to calculate value of A cube. So first of all, we have to calculate the value of A from this equation. So how to calculate A? What is A? How to write A? A is equal to, from this equation we will getting A is equal to root 8 R. So when you solve this, you will getting the value of A is equal to root 8 R. Now we want the value of A cube, total volume of unit cell. So we have to convert this A into cubic form, A cube. So A is equal to root 8 R. So A cube is equal to bracket root 8 R cube. So by solving this, we will getting total volume of unit cell. A cube is equal to 8. A cube is equal to 8 root 8 R cube. So this is the value of A cube, this total volume of unit cell, 8 root 8 R cube. Now we know that in case of FCC contain total 4 spheres. or 4 atom, and we know that the volume of one sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So volume of 4 sphere will be how much? The volume of one sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. And here FCC contains total 4 spheres. So 4 sphere occupies how much volume? 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 into volume of 4 spheres is equal to 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Which is how much? 4 into 4 means 16 by 3 pi r cube. So is equal to 16 by 3 pi r cube. So this is the total volume. So this is the volume occupied by 4 spheres in FCC out of total volume of unit cell, that is 8 root 8 r cube. So this is the total volume 8 root 8 r cube, and out of total volume of unit cell 4 sphere occupies how much volume? This volume 16 by 3 pi r cube. 16 by 3 pi r cube. So out of 100 it occupies x volume. So out of 100 it occupies x volume. So we get the value in percentage form. So here we have to calculate the value of x by using cross multiplication. By using cross multiplication we will getting the value of x. Now during cross multiplication r cube gets cancelled. So during cross multiplication r cube gets cancelled during cross multiplication, and when you solve this you will getting x is equal to 74%. So by solving this you will getting x is equal to 74%. So this is, I got the final answer. So I got x is equal to 74%, which is my prime answer, which is the packing efficiency of FCC. So packing efficiency of FCC is equal to 74%. Or we can say that the volume occupied by 4 spheres or the volume occupied by 4 atoms in FCC is equal to 74%. Now how to calculate empty space or void? Empty space or void is equal to 100 minus 74. So we will getting 26%. So 74% is the packing efficiency of FCC, and empty space or void in case of FCC is equal to 26%. So this is how we calculate the packing efficiency of FCC, face centered cubic unit cell.